Hello from the Philippines again, and many of us foreigners, we are suffering from noisy neighborhoods where we live. Luckily now the aircon is switching off a little bit, but as you can see, the noise level here on the decibel meter, at the moment it's very quiet, but we have neighbors living there. The neighbor has a dog, the neighbors have chicken, there's frogs quacking all the night. So it can be very noisy, especially if they sit outside. And to simulate this, I use this noise generating device here. And now you have a typical situation here in the Philippines with noise outside, and you say, well, yeah, I close my window and then it gets less noisy. So please watch the decibel meter to see how much the noise gets down when you close your window. That's now the noise level you have with one window closed, but to be true, this is nothing you like to sleep, because you can still hear them. If they laugh, if something happens, the kids shouting, you always wake up. So how to get it more soundproof? And that's when I thought, we have these double glass windows in Germany, but it's not really available here. And importing them or making them myself is way too expensive. So I thought, how to do this? And then my eyes fell on the wall and on the whites of the wall. And I see this wall can support two windows. Usually there's only one window mounted, but there's enough space for a second window. So I thought, why don't I just put a second window up and see if this really works? And now I want to show you how much noise we now have, and then please look the reduction when I close the second window. And you will notice there is some decibels noise reduction, and honestly, this is really enough to give you a good sleep at night, because you don't wake up that much when you sleep with a more noisy neighborhood or outside. And now you say, okay, it's quite noisy, but I don't know if it's worth it. If I open the window again, then you will hear again that the noise increases a lot, and also you can see this on the decibel meter. And this small decibel reduction this one window brings makes a difference. I paid 6,000 peso for this one window to be fit. So it's made handmade and built in. It takes a half a day. And of course 6,000 is a lot, but usually you can get it cheaper, especially in the province. But I can say this is really a cheap and quick solution to a noisy neighborhood. I make it now a little bit less noisy because it's getting more noisy. So I hope this short video can help you to soundproof your room. I rented this house, so I asked, of course, my landlord, is it possible to do this? And they are very friendly. They said it's no problem, because this is just fixed with some screws inside the wall. So I can, if I move out, I just unscrew it and take it out. So I have one window myself, or I let it in and talk to the landlord that they take it over. Usually it is not hardly built in the walls, so you can do it yourself, even you have a rented house. And usually the landlord should not say no to this, because they want you, the foreigner, to stay at their rentee, because foreigners are the ones that pay the rent. And so even the landlord that maybe first is a little they will agree it, because you can tell them, it's too noisy. Either I can build the window or I have to move out. And believe me, the typical landlord will allow you to put the window in because they don't want you, the rentee, to pay every month for the rent. I hope this short video helped you a little bit to live more, noise less in the Philippines, and you subscribe my channel and watch my future videos too. Bye bye.